Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Apify integration not working in Claude. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In some cases, the connector is enabled but doesn't appear inside Claude automatically. The solution is to add it manually using a custom MCP server, and the entire process only takes a few minutes. Start by opening Claude and click on your profile icon and open Settings. From there, navigate to the Connectors section and then click on Customize. Scroll through the available connectors and confirm that Apify Desktop is enabled and that your Apify token has already been added. If everything looks correct, but the integration still isn't working, return to the Connectors page and click on this plus icon. Then select the option to add a custom MCP connector. You'll be asked to enter a name and a remote MCP server URL. Enter any name you prefer for the connector. Next, open your browser and go to Apify console website. Here, use the search bar to look for MCP. Select the option to configure the MCP server. Copy the MCP server URL provided by Apify and paste it into the connector setup form in Claude. After entering the URL, click Add. Claude will then display a Connect button. Click it to begin the authorization process. You'll be redirected to Apify, where you'll choose the account you want to connect. Review the requested permissions and approve access. Once the authorization is complete, the connector should show as connected. You can then return to Claude and verify that the custom connector appears in your available tools. If everything was configured correctly, Claude will now be able to access the Apify tools and services linked to your account. To test the connection, simply enter a prompt that requires one of the available Apify tools. If the connector responds and the tools are accessible, the issue has been resolved successfully. And that's it. So that's basically how you can Apify integration not working in Claude. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.